Namaskar, dear Conflyers. I am Aishu Bora from Confluence World School. Welcome you to this amazing learning of science. Today in this video, we will begin chapter 6, that is changes around us, from your science textbook. Now, change. Let's define this term change. Now, for this, I give an example. This is an elastic rubber band. If I stretch it, what is different now? The normal is this, but when I stretch it, what is the difference between the previous and now stage? Yes, the size has increased. This was smaller. Now when I stretch it, it becomes bigger in its size. Now this ice cream spoon. Now is this. What happens if I break it? What is the difference between the previous and now stage? The size is different. So basically, change is defined difference. That what is an object looks after a certain change. So what is different in the object or a substance? That is what we call change. So let's understand the 6 types of changes. Slow change, fast change, reversible change, irreversible change, periodic change and non-periodic change. So let's understand each one of these changes with an example. First is slow change. Now look at this plant. Now initially the plant was small. Over a long period of time, slowly it's growing up. Similarly, a baby is born. Now from a baby stage, it grows to an age of man. So this is what we call slow change. A change which takes place over a long period of time and it takes place slowly. So this is an example. Now number 2, fast change. Now in your everyday life you see, especially in your kitchen, when your mother cooks up, she cooks pudding, she makes chapatis. So now from flour, it becomes a dough. From dough, it becomes a chapati. So it's a fast change which takes place over a few minutes. So this is an example of fast change, a change which takes place over a few minutes and happens very fastly. So this is called a fast change. Now next is reversible change, reverse, which can reverse. Although this rubber band, elastic rubber band is also an example when I stretch it and when I release it. So you can reverse the change. Now I increase the size, now I release it. So the original size is obtained. So I can reverse the change. Now melting of chocolate, melting of ice, all are reversible. You can put ice outside the freezer, it becomes water. The same water can be put inside the freezer, it becomes ice. Now when I blow up this candle, the wax is melted. Now when this candle is blown up, the wax starts melting up. Once the wax is melted, again it can be solidified and make wax again. So this is reversible change. The change which can reverse, the change which can be brought back. Be careful while you handle such things. Do these things in presence of your elders. Now next is irreversible change. Irreversible change, which is just the opposite of reversible change, which cannot be brought back. For example, curd. The curd is made from milk. Now, this curd cannot be brought back into the milk form. So, this is irreversible. The milk has changed into curd. So, this is a change. The properties of milk has changed when it becomes curd. But can you bring curd back to milk? No. So, such changes are called irreversible change. Now, when you burn a piece of paper, Now when you burn a piece of paper, this is also a change. The paper is turned into ash, turned into gases. So can you bring the paper back from ash and gases? No. So such changes which cannot be brought back, these are called irreversible changes. Now periodic change. Look at this wall clock. The hour needle or the hour hand strike again after 1 hour. Means after every 1 hour, the hour needle strikes. So periodic changes, changes which happens after a fixed time, like day and night. So these are fixed changes. Seasons. So after a fixed time, a change takes place. So these are called periodic changes. Non-periodic, earthquake, volcanoes, floods, they don't have a fixed time. They can happen at any interval of time. So there is no fixed period. Even in your classrooms, you have a math lesson, then you have a science lesson, you have a fixed time that after 35 minutes or after 40 minutes, you will have a next class. So such changes are called periodic. Periodic changes, the changes which takes place after a fixed time is called periodic changes. Non-periodic, which do not have any fixed interval of time, which can take place at any point of time, are called periodic changes. So this was a video lesson about these 6 types of changes. There are more types of changes that we will learn and read in the next video lesson. Thank you.